A very important thing that was talked about today and presented is the replacement of the bridge on County Road 61 west of Coleraine, halfway between Coleraine and Highway 38. That bridge construction will take approximately 1 year, and while that is occurring, that bridge will be completely removed and the road running from Coleraine to Highway 38 will be closed to through traffic until its completion. There is an incentive and a timeline of completing that this year during this construction season. Another thing that was presented to the board today was current Meds One owner Jim Descharme introduced the soon-to-be new owners of the ambulance service here in Grand Rapids, which is North Memorial or North Ambulance. They will be assuming ownership and operation of Meds One and serving the Grand Rapids PSA, primary service area, beginning on June 4th.